First Transcontinental Railroad. In the beginning of the 1800s, it took a long time to travel from the east side of the United States to the west side. People had to travel by wagon. Some people wanted a faster way. They wanted a railroad to connect the east and west. In 1862, the United States government decided where the first railroad that would go across the country would be built. This was a transcontinental railroad. It was decided that two railroad companies would build the railroad. They were the Union Pacific and Central Pacific. The Union Pacific started building the railroad from Nebraska and went west. More than 8,000 Irish, German, and Italian immigrants worked for the Union Pacific. The Central Pacific started building the railroad from California and went east. More than 10,000 Chinese immigrants worked for the company. The Chinese workers made up about 90% of all Central Pacific Railroad workers. Building the Transcontinental Railroad was very difficult. The air temperature was sometimes very hot or very cold. Railroad workers also had to put tracks across or through rivers and mountains. On May 10, 1869, the railroad was completed. After it opened, the railroad was a success. People could travel between the two sides much faster. By 1900, 4 more transcontinental railroads were completed.